Hello, today is 3rd of August and 3 o'clock in the morning, and from today I want to start vlogging about 1 week, but every day need to upload a video. Here is what's going on. I was promised myself to upload a video every day without any knowledge of the problems.
If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. If you know yourself but not the enemy, for every victory gained you will also suffer a defeat.
Actually, it is not necessary for me to change my voice and read the third one, so you can read it for yourself. It is a beautiful quote. The day after that promise, suddenly I remembered, oh, it's too late and I really need to do something for my vlog. So I decide to take a shower and pretend coming and going to the bathroom. Hello everyone, today I start my day with reading Beatty Azar grammar book, and now I think it's time to have a little break. And reading grammar is very boring. As a break, I really love to do this. It is a very bad sign. It means that your what we call in Persian washer sarsland is going to ruin. Hello again. After a short period of time of vlogging, now I think we can talk about 3 problems which really annoy me during the vlogging process. The first one actually was procrastinating. When you procrastinate during your day, actually you will miss every opportunity to record your vlog. The second problem is I didn't have any plan for my day, so everything in my day was a small surprise for me. And think about it, how it is possible to make a vlog and plan for your vlog if you do not have any plan for your day. The third problem is being afraid of taking out your camera and start recording in public places. If you ignore the moments which you are between people, you will lose so many beautiful and nice moments for your vlog. Goodbye until the next video. I hope see you soon.